That worked well. God, they're still going. I'll let them go for a little longer. Yeah, good. Someone goes, what the heck? Fool goes, what the heck?
That was just a phrase that they were like pulled out.
Dude, people love that noise, man.
Anything I want.